up, folks? It's Dan here from BeAGameCharacter.com. Today we're going over the Mikasa Ackerman workout. Now, Mikasa Ackerman is a really badass female character from the Attack on Titan series. And the Mikasa Ackerman workout is going to focus mostly on body weight calisthenics, as well as a whole lot of focus on your abdominal and oblique area. The idea is, basically, she's spending a lot of time flipping around in combat through midair with the omnidirectional mobility gear. You're going to have a solid core for that kind of mobility, switching your hips around, moving your legs, flipping your body around as necessary in midair. So that's what we're going to start and end with, but we're going to throw a whole bunch of other stuff in there as well, including getting you stronger for wielding any sort of swords or blades, or even just hand-to-hand combat, as well as good conditioning for combat in general. For the beginning level of the Mikasa Ackerman strength workout, we're going to start with 3 sets of 5 to 10 kneeling push-ups. Then 3 sets of 5 to 10 body weight squats, 3 sets of 3 to 5 chair assisted pull-ups, 3 sets of 5 to 10 hanging knee raises, and then 3 sets of 5 to 10 second long plank holds. We get a cardio level. What you're going to do is you're going to do 3 sets of 1.5 minute rounds on the heavy bag, rest 1 minute between each set. Follow that up by 3 sets of 1 minute rounds of sledgehammer slams. Just swing a sledgehammer and hit something for a minute straight, rest a minute between each round. And then 3 sets of 2-minute long rounds of jumping rope. All right, and 2 minutes of jumping rope is kind of strenuous. When you're first starting out, you just want to do a little bit less or break it up into more sets, that's fine. It's a little difficult. If you don't have a jump rope, you can just bounce in place for 2 minutes as well. So 3 sets of that, again, resting 1 minute between each. For level 2 of the Mikasa Ackerman strength workout, we're going to start with 5 sets of 3 to 5 push-ups, 5 sets of 5 to 10 body weight squats, 5 sets of 5 to 10 chair assisted pull-ups, 5 sets of 5 to 10 hanging leg raises, and then 5 sets of 10 to 20 second long planks. For the level 2 cardio workout, we're going to do 3 sets of 2-minute long rounds on the punching bag. Again, 1 minute between each set. Then we're going to do 3 sets of 1.5-minute long rounds of sledgehammer slams. Again, resting 1 minute between each set. And finally, we're going to finish off with 3 sets of 3-minute long rounds of jumping rope, or if you don't have jump rope, just jumping in place. For the level 3 strength workout from Mikasa Ackerman, you're going to do 5 sets of 5 to 10 push-ups, 5 sets of 5 to 10 chair-assisted pistol squats, 5 sets of 3 to 5 pull-ups, 5 sets of 5 to 10 kneeling ab wheel rollouts, 5 sets of 3 to 5 side oblique crunches, and then 5 sets of 20 to 30 second planks. Again, resting 1 minute between each set. For level 3 of the cardio workout, you're going to do 3 sets of 2.5 minutes on the heavy bag, again with 1 minute rest between each round. Then you're going to do 3 sets of 2 minutes of sledgehammer slams. Again, slamming sledgehammers for 2 minutes straight, and you're going to rest 1 minute between each round. And then you go to 3 sets of 4 minutes of jumping rope, or just jumping in place. Again, resting 1 minute between each round. For the level 4 scout level workout, you're going to do 5 sets of 5 to 10 push-ups, 5 sets of 5 to 10 pistol squats, 5 sets of 5 to 10 pull-ups, 5 sets of 5 to 10 standing ab wheel rollouts, and 5 sets of 5 to 10 side oblique crunches. And then you're going to finish out with 5 sets of 30 to 60 second long planks. This is your abdominal destruction level. For the level 4 cardio workout, you're going to do 5 sets of 3 minutes on the heavy bag, resting a minute between each set. 5 sets of 3 minutes of sledgehammer slams, resting 1 minute between each set again. And then finally, 5 sets of 5-minute rounds of jumping rope or jumping in place. Again, rest 1 minute between each set. Make sure you give yourself a little bit of rest. These are long rounds. You want to make sure you make it through the whole thing. And that's it for the Mikasa Ackerman strength workout. If you want to check out the schedule, it's over on the blog. Basically what you're going to do is on day 1, you're going to do strength workout. Day 2, cardio workout. Day 3, another strength workout. Then you're going to rest on day 4. Day 5 is another strength workout. Day 6 is a cardio workout. And then day 7 is a rest day. Now when you're just starting out, if you want to, you can add an extra rest day in on that 3rd day of the week when you would normally be doing a strength workout. And again, if you're getting advanced, you can add an extra workout, cardio work in on day 4 as well. So you work days 1 through 6 and then just rest on day 7. But that's the advanced schedule. I would definitely recommend you start out with a beginner schedule before you move on to that. So that's it. Again, pop over to the blog if you want the full write-up. And as always, remember, live boldly, change the world, and continue to be awesome. Bye-bye.